Hey everyone, this is Ericka from Echale Porras Productions, and today we'll be making banana chocolate chip muffins. Let's get started. Nailed it. For our dry ingredients, we will need 1 1/2 cup of flour, 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar, light or dark, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For our wet ingredients, we will be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of whole milk, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted, and 1 large egg. For these muffins, we will be using 2 bananas and 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. Alright, so first we're going to smash our bananas in a mixer. So we're just going to toss these in there, give them a whisk, and that should smash them down. Now we're going to add in our melted butter, our brown sugar, plop, our egg, our milk, and our vanilla. Let's get whisking on medium speed. And we're going to pour in our dry ingredients, which are all incorporated as well. Our sugar, flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg. We're gonna mix those in together. We're going to pause and we're gonna scrape the sides. Scrape, scrape, scrape. My sister-in-law would be proud of that. We want an extra crunch, so we're going to add a cup of dark chocolate. You can also do some walnuts, any nuts, but we don't do nuts, and that's all she wrote. Super easy. All right, so let's get scooping these into their little cups. Don't forget to butter your pans so they're easy to take out. We're going to put these in at 425 for 5 minutes. Let those bake through, and then we're going to bring the temp down to 350 for an additional 15-16 minutes. So a total time of about 20-22 minutes, or until the toothpick comes out clean. You don't want to eat these raw, although the batter tastes delicious. Big muffins. Senior muffins. Alright. Awesome saucidation. So you should get about 12 muffins, maybe 13, 14 if you don't want them that big. And vámonos to the oven. And here they are. Banana chocolate chip muffins. They've baked and they've cooled down, and now we get to try them. I'm excited. They smell really good. And we put a lot of chocolate because we like chocolate. Squishy, squishy. Feels really moist too. Has a nice banana taste. Now presenting Mr. Julio and Damien. Damien's turning 3 months today. Woo! So proud of this little guy. Now Daddy's gonna try it. Yeah, Daddy's gonna try. Thank you, Mr. Julio. Goodbye, Mr. Julio.
You nailed it, bro.
Nailed it. And that's it. We hope you like this recipe. It's super easy.
Really an inconvenience.
Super easy. Just a couple of ingredients that you should have already at home. All you need is some bananas, some sugar, spices, and there you go. Super easy, yummy, healthy. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below on what you want us to make next. Peace. Oh no, stay safe, stay awesome. Peace. Bye. Yeah.
Cut!